This drill is 3 crossover pass. So you have to make 3 crossovers, then pass, catch it with one arm, then 3 crossovers, then pass. This drill is 3 between the legs split, then pass. So yung split is yun. Split stance ka dapat pag between the legs na tatlo, then pass agad, catch it with one arm, then 3 between the legs, then pass again. This drill is 3 behind the back, then pass. So you have to do 3 behind the backs, then pass it with one arm, then catch it with one arm, 3 behind the back, then pass. This drill will help you to improve your one-arm passing. This drill is figure of B plus behind the back pass. So you have to do figure of B first, then behind the backs, tapos sa last. No, one arm lang to lahat. This drill is pocket pass. So you have to pocket pass, then catch it with both arms. So dapat yung pocket pass nyo malakas. At the same time, you have to use your one arm lang dapat, no? This drill is over the head pass. Kailangan yung mga pasa mo dito dapat sharp, ibig sabihin malakas. This drill is crossover between the legs behind the back pass. So you have to make 3 dribble combination, then you have to pass. Kailangan 3 combination, then pass. This drill is single arm bounce pass. So pocket pass pa rin siya pero this time is pa-bounce pass naman siya dapat. At the same time, kailangan malakas yung pasa mo dito. You have to practice left and right passes para masanay na kayo na pumasa ng isang kamay.